Hello everyone, welcome back to EduHunt video lectures. Coming to the session, in previous session we have dealt with the concept of cell, structure and functions of cell in detail. Now we'll just take out the worksheet, we'll work it on out. So let's see the first question, that is, the living cell was first discovered by. Who discovered the cell? Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke, but the living cell was first observed by Antony von Leeuwenhoek, because most of the students get confused between Robert Hooke and Antony von Leeuwenhoek. A confusion enduku untundante cell anagane first maniki gurtocchedi రాబర్ట్ హుక్కే. ఓకే, రాబర్ట్ హుక్ అని మనం ఇమీడియట్గా మన చెయ్యి రాబర్ట్ హుక్ మీదకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. బట్ రాబర్ట్ హుక్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ద డెడ్ సెల్స్, కార్క్ టిష్యూని ఆయన అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు. సో హీ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ద డెడ్ సెల్స్. సో ద క్రెడిట్ గోస్ టు Antony von Leeuwenhoek. That is why it is the correct option in this case. Cell is, what is cell? Cell is the fundamental unit, it is the structural unit, and it is the functional unit. So the answer is A, B and C. This is the answer. Then next question. After the discovery of living cell, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. This is the answer. Nucleus is the right answer. It is a direct question. Unique character of plant cell is. We have mentioned that plant cell possess cell wall. And the second unique feature of plant cell is presence of chloroplast, that is plastid. So here let's see the option. Presence of cell wall, presence of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present in both animal as well as plant cell. So it is wrong. Presence of distinct nucleus. It is present both in plant and animal cells. Presence of a clearly demarcated protoplasm. It is a common thing present in every living cell. So the correct option is presence of cell wall. Eukaryotic cell possesses. Eukaryotic cell is that cell with a true nucleus. So membrane-bound nucleus, a semi-fluid matrix called the cytoplasm, membrane-bound cell organelles, all the above. Eukaryotic cell possess membrane-bound cell organelles and nucleus and fluid-like matrix. All these things are present in eukaryotic cell. So the option is all the above. The main arena of cellular activities in plant cells and animal cell is the cytoplasm. This is a direct answer, cytoplasm, because in cytoplasm there are various cell organelles like chloroplast. It performs photosynthesis. In mitochondria, respiration and energy production takes place in mitochondria. Like that, cytoplasm is the site where all the cell organelles are present. That is why cytoplasm is the correct option here. The cell is considered to be in living state when it possesses the cytoplasm. Actually, cytoplasm place lo protoplasm undali, cytoplasm, because cytoplasm harbors many cell organelles. Even in nucleus also present in the cytoplasm. Chromosomes and DNA are present in the nucleus, and in turn nucleus is present in the cytoplasm. That is why cytoplasm is the correct option here. Eukaryotic cell differs from prokaryotic cell in having. It is a basic question. Eukaryotic cell, the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell is the presence of nuclear membrane and prominent nucleus. And even membrane-bound cell organelle is also present in eukaryotes, whereas they are absent in prokaryotes. So both 1 and 2, membrane-bound organelles, membrane-bound nucleus, These two are present in eukaryotic cells. Dense matrix of cytoplasm, it is present in eukaryotes as well as in prokaryotes. So the right option is both 1 and 2, both membrane bound organelles as well as a membrane bound nucleus, both are seen in eukaryotic cells. The cell organelle is commonly present in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes-లోను eukaryotes-లో రెండింటిలో ఉండేవి. Let's see. Peroxisomes, lysosomes, ribosomes, nucleus. Peroxisomes, lysosomes and nucleus, all nucleolus. All these are, peroxisomes are membrane bound organelles, it is cell organelles. Lysosomes are also cell organelles, that we'll see later. Nucleolus is present in the nucleus. So, prokaryotes-లో nucleus absent kabatti nucleolus unde chance లేదు. So, this is wrong. Lysosomes, membrane bound organelles. We know that membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotes. Even peroxisomes, these are also absent. So, the correct option is ribosomes. Ribosomes are seen both in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In a prokaryotic cell, 70S ribosomes are attached to, where they are present. 70S ribosomes are present on the cell membranes. This is the right option. It is a direct question. Prokaryotic cell possess 70S type of ribosomes. They are attached to the cell membrane. Non-membrane bound organelles found both in eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Non-membrane bound organelles are in this option. Nucleolus, it is not there. Chromosomes are not there, and plasmids are only present in, these are only present in prokaryotes, and nucleolus is only seen in eukaryotes. Chromosomes are seen in eukaryotes. Bacteriaలో ఉన్నది కూడా సింగిల్ క్రోమోజోమ్ ప్రెసెంట్ అని చెప్తాము, బట్ దీస్ ఆర్ నాట్ membrane bound, and non-membrane bound organelles found both in prokaryotic, eukaryotic is ribosome. Ribosomes are non-membrane bound organelles found both in eukaryotes as well as prokaryotes. The cell organelle in animal cell that helps in cell division. Cell division ki help chese organelle edi? Ribosomes. This is wrong. It is the organelle of protein synthesis. Centrioles or centrosomes. This is right answer. Lysosomes, it is not the correct answer. Nucleus is also not the right option. Cell organelle in animal cell that helps in cell division is centriole or centrosome. The smallest cells are, it is a direct question, mycoplasmas. Smallest cells are mycoplasmas. The largest isolated single cell is egg of an ostrich. Ostrich egg is the largest cell. Cell envelope of prokaryotes includes cell envelope. It includes glycocalyx, cell wall and plasma membrane. Prokaryotes ante bacteria. Bacterialo cell wall ఉంటుంది, plasma membrane ఉంటుంది, cell wall కింద plasma membrane ఉంటుంది, and cell wall బయట glycocalyx ఉంటుంది. The components of bacterial flagella are, bacteria flagella are made of filament, hook and basal granule or basal body. This is the right option. It is a right straight question. Filament, hook and basal body are the three parts of the flagellum. What are flagella? These are the motile structures. They help in motility, movement of cells. Reserve materials in prokaryotic cells are stored in the form of inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies form lo సేవ్ అయ్యి ఉంటాయి ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ రిజర్వ్ ఫుడ్ మెటీరియల్స్ choose the correct statement. Let's see what are the statements. All prokaryotic cells have cell walls. It is wrong because mycoplasmas do not possess cell wall. All eukaryotes have all types of cell organelles. No, because plant cells possess plastids, whereas animal cells they lack plastids. So this is also wrong. All cell organelles are membrane bound. It is also wrong because ribosomes are the cell organelles which are considered as non-membrane bound cell organelles. Prokaryotes and eukaryotic cells commonly possess ribosomes. This is the right option because in prokaryotes 70S type of ribosomes are seen, and in eukaryotes both 80S and 70S type of ribosomes are seen in eukaryotes. Cell wall was discovered for the first time by cell was discovered for the first time by who discovered cell? Robert Hooke discovered the cell first time. Then the term protoplasm was coined by who coined the term protoplasm? That is Purkinje. ఇద్దరు డూజార్డిన్ పర్కింజ్ ఇద్దరు ప్రోటోప్లాజం ని నేమ్ చేశారు, బట్ డూజార్డిన్ called protoplasm as sarcode. So both the scientists are connected with this question, but Purkinje named the gel-like substance, the fluid present in the cell that was named as protoplasm by Purkinje. So Purkinje is the right option here, right answer here. Cell theory was proposed by who proposed the cell theory? It is a direct question. Schleiden, M.J. Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. Schleiden is a botanist and Schwann is a zoologist. Both proposed the cell theory. Cell theory given by Schleiden and Schwann was incomplete because there was no explanation about the formation of new cell. This aspect of cell theory was completed by this aspect of cell theory is known as cell lineage theory. We have discussed this point. Cell lineage theory. According to this theory, cells are formed from pre-existing cells. So this is called cell lineage theory. This was given by Rudolf Virchow. Virchow. This is the right option. Second option is the correct one. Virchow. Which is the characteristic of prokaryote? Absence of nuclear envelope, absence of membrane bound organelles, absence of nucleolus, because all these are right. It means all of these are right. Mesosomes of bacteria help in. Mesosomes, where they are present. Imagine this as the cell wall. Behind the cell wall, there is a plasma membrane. The plasma membrane shows infoldings like this. These infoldings of plasma membrane are the mesosomes. These are mesosomes. They help in DNA replication, they help in wall formation, they help in respiration, and all these are right options. Naked DNA found in cytoplasm. Naked DNA is found in cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells is nucleoid, xenophore, prochromosomes, all of this. Answer is all of this. Nucleoid, the chromosome of or the genetic material of prokaryote is known as nucleoid. Danne xenophore antamu and ade prochromosome because it is the previous